In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user story in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey with agile methodologies, understanding how to effectively add a user story in Jira can streamline your development process and help keep your projects on track. To get started, navigate to the specific project where you want your user story to live. This is crucial as Jira operates with multiple projects, and placing your story in the right context ensures all team members have access to the relevant information. Once in the correct project, look for the Create button, usually a distinct blue button, often found at the top of your screen. Alternatively, there might be a Create Issue option within the menu, and clicking on either will take you to the issue creation form. Next, double check that you are creating this issue in the correct project. While it might sound redundant, it's worth the extra moment to ensure accuracy, as each project might have unique configurations and team members. On the Create Issue screen, find the drop-down labelled Issue Type. Here you'll want to select Story. This categorization helps differentiate user stories from other types of tasks like bugs or epics, ensuring that it's organized correctly according to your workflow. Now it's time to fill in the story's details. Start with the summary. It should be a concise but clear title for your user story, capturing the essence of what you're conveying. Following the summary, dive into the description. Here you'll want to elaborate on the user story from the user's perspective. Consider focusing on the who, what, and why. Who will benefit from this feature? What will it entail, and why is it important? Providing this context will aid team members in understanding the purpose and goal of the story. Once described, you need to assign the user story. Identify the team member responsible for bringing this story to life and assign it to them. This helps in tracking accountability and moving the story through various stages of development. Next, set the priority of the user story. Indicating its importance or urgency helps in managing workload and ensuring high priority tasks are addressed promptly. Right after, you should set the initial status of the user story, whether it be to do, in progress, or another relevant status. This aids in tracking the story's progress over time. There may be additional fields to consider, depending on your team's specific methodologies like story points or acceptance criteria if you're using agile methods. Fill these in as necessary to provide a complete picture of the user story. Finally, once you've reviewed all the information and are satisfied everything is captured correctly, click the Create button. This will save the user story into the project for the team to see and work on. With these steps, you've successfully added a user story to Jira, and you're now ready to continue your journey in agile project management.